Friends, I'm Indresh. I'm back with another video. In today's video, we will see uh, some swing trading stocks, and also we'll see some bank nifty algo analysis. Okay, so today I find two stocks for swing trading purpose. Even I bought some stocks of. One is HDFC Asset Management company. Uh, I find it's it's reversing. It's like there was a fall, and after this fall, now it has taken out bears with a very good momentum candle. I find this kind of upside momentum till top. Maybe like it can it can reach this top. Okay, even who knows? There is election going on. Once election result is out, anything can happen. It can just break out. So I find this is a good bet for swing trading purpose. So you please do your own analysis. And there is one more stock. One is this one. Max Financial Service. This also I really find it. Now it's reversing upside. Now it's closed above 20 EMA. This is also in coming days. It can go till the top. It can go till the top. So I bought like keeping this much stop loss. You have a good risk to reward in both the stocks. Even I acquired a few stocks today. If you see, one is HDFC Asset Management. I bought 14 stocks, and one financial service. I bought 50 stocks. I will update on this. Yesterday also I gave some calls. Those are also in good profit only. If you see yesterday's calls, I had given this call on this day. Okay, on 10th May, it's also going up. I mean, one more thing I wanted to say. Yeah, you please follow this page. Okay, in this page, I have mentioned all the stocks which I have mentioned good for reversal trading. Till now, not even single stock has hit the SL, and few stocks have hit the profit. And one thing what I advise is the moment you buy, you may see loss for 1 day or 2 day, but there is a chance you have to hold. How to when I say swing trading, you have to hold it for a week or 2 weeks. For example, this also, tomorrow it can come down. Okay, day after tomorrow also it can come down. But the thing is, stop loss is here. So actually, my stop loss is just below this candle. But in the worst case, I have to give this much stop loss. So anyhow, it's a swing trading, right? So you don't have to put stop loss in the system. You can just closely observe. So you have to wait. It's not like tomorrow only it will give 10% more, like 20% more. See, if you see today, I closed one of the trade. I was holding it. Yeah, it actually gave very good momentum, but I closed it early. This is the stock. This is the stock which I bought. This is the stock which I bought on this day. Okay, this day. This also I've given a recommendation in Trading View. You can check it. And today I closed it. Actually, this still has a momentum upside, but since I got 25%, today I got 25% in that stock, so I exited that stock. Okay, so what basically I do is I divide my capital into number of parts. Each part will be of like 40 to 50,000, not more than 50,000. So I invest only 50,000 in one stock. I don't put all my money in one stock. I put only 50,000 in one stock. So even if that stock falls 20% tomorrow, I incur only like 20% means 10,000 rupees loss. So that won't disturb my psychology. See, if you see my holding, I have so many stocks. Okay, some stocks are in negative, some stocks are in positive. So yeah, today I closed. Yesterday also I closed one stock. I exited with a profit. So the moment you see loss, you should not be like, oh, the stock is in loss. You have to wait. Okay, since it's a swing trading, you have to wait. Not just immediate day it will give profit. And one more thing is stop loss is fixed. The moment the stop loss, the price closes below that stop loss, you just exit irrespective of whatever the condition, you exit. Okay, you should just exit. That's all. You should not think too much. It will come up tomorrow. It will come up day after tomorrow. Don't think all those things. Stop loss is it means just close that trade. Okay. If you are good at taking stop loss, then you will become good at taking profit. Okay. That's all about stocks today. And yeah, one more thing. This bank nifty algo analysis. Okay. So today was a good day for all my algos. So I told you this is the one strategy which I made video, like there is no single loss in any month in the last 6 years. So that strategy, okay. We'll see. Today it's now 15th. If you see, it has taken two trades. 700 profit in first trade, and second trade 300 loss. First trade also it took two trades, and second trade it took four trades. It does a lot of adjustments. So in that, one profit and three loss. So ultimately it ended up with 289 rupees loss. And first trade is 700 profit. So we have cumulative 300 rupees profit at the end of the day. Okay. And another one is uh, this monthly income strategy. We'll see what is happened with that. So that monthly income strategy today it has given 840 rupees profit. So this strategy is what I strongly believe it does good, because see, it won't give you big profit, and also it won't give you big losses. So this is I will reveal this strategy very soon. Okay, let me backtest this for a month. Then I will definitely reveal. If you are so urgent, definitely you can call me. I will not charge anything. Okay, you might think I've given my contact number, so if I call this person, he will ask money for it. I will give it for free. I will give it. I'll give the strategy for free. If you wait after 1 month of backtest, I will reveal that strategy also, because I don't want to give a strategy which makes you lose. I want to backtest here, and I want to give once it is doing good. And there's one more strategy. I told you that strategy also I'll reveal in coming days. That's my favorite strategy. It's really my favorite strategy. It's working. Uh, you know, See, if you see today, right? Today, first trade it took at 9:55. It made profit of 7,000 rupees. Okay. Second trade again it took at 10 o'clock. It made profit of 7,000 rupees. And again, it took one more trade and it made loss in all the strategies. So today it like 14,000 profit and 18,000 loss. So ultimate again it's a 4,000 loss. So you all know, right? This is running with the 10 lots. It's not one lot, it's for 10 lots. I'm running this strategy with the 10 lots. So this strategy today incurred 4,000 rupees loss. Okay, that's all about the strategies which I'm running. But what I am doing is I'm little focusing on swing trading only, because I really can't look my market every hour. So that's why I completely focused on swing trading. I find some stocks. I know after my job I do some research, my own research. Then I come up with some stock. Then next day I'll buy it. So that's what I'm doing it. Or I buy it at 3 o'clock. I do some research at 2:30, or like if possible I do it. Or else what I do today I'll do research and tomorrow I'll buy it. Like that I do. So I'm focusing on swing trading because option trading is difficult. So but still, if you think you want to do option trading, you do algo trading. So if you need any of the algo building help, you can contact me. I will help. Okay, I will help without charging anything. Okay, don't think I'll take money. So how can I contact all those things? I'll not do it. I will help. If you want to build algo on Quantman, or if you want my strategies also, you can contact me. I will share the strategies. I will reveal it in the same platform only, in the YouTube only, but you have to wait for some time. Okay. So that's all for today. So I hope you like the video. So please consider these two stocks, do analysis, do your own analysis. I find it, it's kind of reversal. You can put small amount of money, not everything, small amount of money you can put and you can backtest it. Okay. And you have to hold till it hits the stop loss. Okay. This is the stop loss. You have to wait for stop loss. Without stop loss, you tomorrow loss, so you'll exit the trade. That doesn't work. You have to wait for target or you have to wait for the stop loss. Target means you have to target minimum 1:3. In swing trading, you have to target minimum 1:3. You should always find stocks such that it will give 1:3 profit, or at least 1:2. At least 1:2. Okay. So thank you. That's all for today. I hope you like it. Please do subscribe. Please support. Thank you.